Imagine updating your AI model without a single second of downtime. No failed requests, no user impact, no waiting. Sounds impossible? Not with the blue-green deployment strategy in vLLM. Today, I'll show you how top AI systems swap large language models seamlessly, even when loading takes up to 10 minutes. Let's break it down step by step in a simple way. We start with two environments, blue and green. Blue is the current live system serving users, while green is the new model version. Instead of replacing the existing model, we create a completely new deployment called vLLM Green with the updated model. This approach is important because model loading can take anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes, and we don't want users to experience downtime during that process. Next comes traffic control. Using Istio, we manage how traffic is routed between deployments. Initially, Blue handles 100% of the traffic, while Green handles 0%. This means all user requests continue going to the stable system while the new model loads quietly in the background, without affecting anyone. Once the model is fully loaded, the system verifies readiness through Kubernetes health checks, GPU utilization stabilizes, and everything confirms that Green is ready to handle traffic. At this point, we introduce a Canary release. Instead of switching all traffic at once, we gradually test the new model by sending 5% of traffic to Green and keeping 95% on Blue. During this phase, we closely monitor performance metrics such as response latency, error rates, and tokens per second. If everything looks stable, we begin gradually shifting more traffic to Green. The transition typically moves step by step from 95-5 to 80-20, then 50-50, 20-80, and finally 0-100. This controlled progression ensures stability and allows us to catch any issues early without impacting most users. Once we are fully confident, we complete the cutover. Green becomes the primary deployment handling 100% of the traffic, while Blue is retired. Then, for simplicity and future updates, we rename Green to Blue and remove the old deployment. The entire process is clean, smooth, and achieves zero downtime. Now here's the best part: rollback. If anything goes wrong during the transition, we can instantly switch all traffic back to Blue. This rollback takes less than 5 seconds, with no dropped requests and no service disruption. So why not use rolling updates? With large language models, rolling updates are risky because model loading takes several minutes. During that time, pods can become unavailable, leading to failed requests and poor user experience. That's why blue-green deployment is the best strategy for LLM systems like vLLM. So that's how modern AI platforms deploy massive models without downtime. If you're working with AI systems, Kubernetes, or LLM infrastructure, this is a must-know strategy. Like this video, share it with your tech friends, and subscribe for more real-world AI and system design content. See you in the next video.